are very important. If my friends were going to travel to Ecuador, I would like to advise them to be open and polite with people there. Ecuadorians, like most Hispanics, tend to greet each other with a kiss on the cheek. The only exception to this is if they were two men or just two people that really just meet. If an Ecuadorian invites you to their home, they will most likely tell you to make yourself at home. Also, if it's a dinner, never go with empty hands. It is Ecuadorian culture to take a bottle of wine or a pastry to share with someone's home. The most important thing you should know about Ecuadorian manners is that everyone helps. Even if you don't know the people very well, it is always very respectful to ask how you may help, whether it is to cook or just set up the tables. We do not buy hard, so it is polite to take part in table talk. If you are leaving the home, you always have to thank to the host, even if you didn't feel well or even if you didn't like the food. It's always nice to leave a good note. Thanks.